To my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to connect Stripe with Claude AI. So guys, if you want to integrate the Paytm gateway payment gateway Stripe with your Claude AI, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, you simply open your Claude, then refresh it once. After refresh guys, here you see the option of plus icon. Okay, and here you find this bag icon, and when you hover it, so it shows customize. So you simply click on it. Okay, after that, here you see the option of customize Claude, and here you see connected your app. After that guys, simply click on it, and guys, here you go for search, and here you search this Stripe. Okay, so guys, here you see when you click on it, so it shows that the Stripe model context protocol server define a set of tool that AI agent can use to interact with the Stripe. So API, it's knowledge base. So here it shows you search document, create customer, list of the customer, product, and 15 more tools that you can use in it. Okay, this is the Stripe URL. Now you simply click the option of connect. Start connecting, and guys, during connection guys, you need to log in with your Stripe account. So it's take few seconds. Okay, so here it asks you to log in, and so simply use the Google. Okay, after clicking on this, it asks you the account, so you just log in with your account. So this is the simple way that you can connect your Claude AI with the Stripe account. Now you simply give your password access. Now Stripe will access the info about you, your name, profile. Okay, now it's signing in, and guys, here you see that your dashboard is ready. So this is the simple way that you can use. And now you simply enter the prompts on the Claude, where you get all the detail about your Stripe account. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.